Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 33, light. In this worksheet we will discuss about sunlight, whether it is light, white or colored, or how rainbow is formed. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky after rain? बच्चों आपने रेनबो देखा है आसमान में? जब बारिश के बाद कभी कभी धूप निकलती है तो हम क्या देखते हैं? इंद्रधनुष या रेनबो. So it's time to recall. A rainbow appears usually after the rain. When the sun is low in the sky, the rainbow is seen as a large arc in the sky with 7 colors. So how many colors are present in rainbow? 7 colors. And these colors are, first one is red, R for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. So in any rainbow 7 colors are present, and the acronym to remember the name of the color from the bottom to top is VIBGYOR. VIBGYOR. V for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. So you can remember all these 7 colors in a particular manner of rainbow. Remember, you can see a rainbow only when your back is towards the sun. जब आपकी back है, it means sun is behind you. Then only you can see the rainbow in the sky. You can see same colorful pattern of rainbow in a lot of daily activities and you can do it at home. आप घर में ये activities बना सकते हैं बच्चों. First activity is dissolving soap in water and blow soap bubbles with the help of straw or empty refill. अगर आप ये bubbles बनाएंगे then you will get these bubbles will appear colorful. Second, reflect light from the surface of compact CD. CD और डिस्क से जब लाइट को रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं तो हमें क्या दिखाई देते हैं? Colors of rainbow. So you can do these activities at home very easily. Now, white light consists of 7 colors. Let us do an activity. Take a glass prism. Allow a narrow beam of sunlight through a small hole in the window of dark room to fall on one face of the prism. क्या करना है आपको? You have to take a glass prism और window या narrow beam of light किस पर fall करनी है? One face of prism. Let the light coming out of other face of the prism fall on the white sheet of the paper on a white wall. You will see colorful pattern of 7 colors same as in rainbow. तो हमें प्रिज्म के थ्रू भी क्या प्राप्त हो जा सकता है? प्रिज्म के थ्रू भी हम रेनबो के कलर्स को बना सकते हैं या प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. And how many colors are present in a rainbow? There are 7 colors present in the rainbow. This shows that the sunlight consists of 7 colors. इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है बच्चों? White light or sunlight consists of 7 colors and these 7 colors are VIBGYOR, Y for violet, I for indigo, B for blue, G for green, Y for yellow, O for orange and R for red. Now Newton's disc. What do you mean by Newton's disc? Take a circular cardboard disc of about 10 centimeter diameter, divide it into 7 segments and paint them 7 रेनबो कलर्स ऑन दीज सेगमेंट्स। सेगमेंट्स बनाकर हमें क्या कर देना है, उनको रेनबो के 7 कलर्स से के जैसा पेंट कर देना है। मेक अ स्मॉल होल एट द center of the disc and fix a disc loosely on the tip of the refill or ball pen of a ball pen। एक बॉल पेन की जो रिफिल है उसे निकाल कर बीच में होल में फिक्स कर देनी है। When the disc is rotated fast, the colors get mixed together and the disc appears to be whitish। तो जब हम इसको क्या करते हैं, तेजी से रोटेट करते हैं तो कलर्स मिक्स होकर क्या बनाते हैं, they appears to be whitish or they appears to be white। Such a disc is known as Newton's disc। ऐसी डिस्क को हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों, Newton's disc। Now we will discuss question answer। First question is how many colors are in a rainbow। रेनबो में कितने कलर्स होते हैं बच्चों, there are 7 colors in the rainbow। So you can write in words also 7 colors। Write the names of colors in rainbow in order। You have to write in a particular order। So you can write name of these colors through the word Vibgyor, this one। Question number 3, write a property of prism। prism की आपको एक प्रॉपर्टी लिखनी है। After passing white light through the prism, it is converted into 7 colors of rainbow। Or you can write prism is made up of or prism consists of 5 surfaces। Question number 4, write a condition to see a rainbow। रेनबो देखने के लिए क्या कंडीशन चाहिए आपको, you can see a rainbow only when your back is towards the sun। So this is the condition for seeing the rainbow। Thanks for watching।